Hi, this is Ian Williams here with a video on the 2009 Chevy 1500 extended cab, four-wheel drive. I'd like to point out any imperfections on the vehicle. When this one actually came in, there was a scratch on the car that we had addressed by a local body shop, and that was on the rear passenger fender right over here. You can't even see it anymore. So there was a scratch right along here that was taken care of. Apologize for the glare. There you go. Tires appear to have 80% tread life. This has a spray-on liner in the back, so maybe a Rhino liner or Line X. As far as little scratches or whatnot, there's a little bit right here where my finger is. It's like a little dimple or whatnot right there. And then there's a little scratch right there, and then another little one right above the passenger handle here. So back out. So this area right around here has a couple little blemishes. That's the noticeable one. I don't see anything else here to point out to you on this side. Front looks good. There's not a lot of chips or anything in the hood from rocks. And the interior of the truck. This one has ebony leather. And this truck is equipped with a moonroof. You have bucket seats up front. Center console, center stack here. Dual climate control, AM, FM, CD, XM radio, auxiliary input, OnStar. And this truck does have the chrome side steps as well. Turn indicators in the mirror. It does have a one upgrade on this that I see is it does have a rear defrosting window. And this is set up with a tow package. And it's ready to tow. Hope the video helps. If you have any questions, please contact us at 208-263-2138 or visit our website at taylorandsonschevrolet.com. Thank you very much.